Are you in search of a solution to get your iPhone music to play on your Lexus, your classic Lexus from late 90s to early 2000? Your Lexus LS400 or LS430 came with the awesome Nakamichi sound system. It came with a CD, cassette. You come with a CD changers and a cassette player, or even navigation, the outdated navigational system. But there's no aux connection nor Bluetooth. And you're in search of a way to get your iPhone music to play on that system. Well, hi, this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. If you're looking for a way to get your iPhone music to play on that Lexus system, or you are thinking about replacing that system on your classic Lexus from late 90s or early 2000, I have a suggestion for you. It is my gadget, Gizmo Guy Gadget. Gizmo Guy Gadget will allow you to play all your music from your iPhone, these Lexus LS400. If you're thinking about replacing that system, my recommendation is do not replace that system. As you already know, and you have done some research, you'll be really expensive and complicated if you're trying to replace that Lexus LS400 or LS430 sound system. The best thing that you can do is to keep it the way it is, keeping the stock system, and simply use my gadget to add your music. You connect my device to your iPhone like this. That's all you have to do. Then you will be able to stream and play all your iPhone music right through your OEM factory system without aux or Bluetooth. You do not need to upgrade your head unit. Simply connect my gadget to your iPhone and you will be able to play Pandora, iHeartRadio, Spotify, Audiobooks, YouTube Music, even news and NPR right from your phone, right through your mid-2000 car radio without Bluetooth or an aux. Simply connect my device to your phone and you'll be able to listen to all your sound and music from your iPhone right through your car radio, loud and clear, without static or any humming noise. Simply connect my device, Gizmo Guy Gadget device, right to your phone and you'll be able to listen to anything that you want from your iPhone through your car radio wirelessly. You do not need to upgrade your radio. You do not need to replace your head unit. Simply connect my device to your phone and you'll be happy with your music, podcast, news, anything you want to listen to.
My name is Patrick. What happens when you find a nice car on eBay, something that's within your cost range, but it's an older car, you love the way it looks, but you know you can't play your cell phone on it? Here's what you do. I found this product by Gizmo Guy, CD quality sound from your cell phone to your world-class audio system on the cool car you bought. Let's see how it works. Yeah, so it's really simple. It comes, when you order this product, it came with this little dongle. It also came with an attachment. You plug it into your phone. This is an iPhone. And you just start playing your music. Open your music. I should say one thing. There's stations on the back here that you preset on your radio. These are what it plays through. It actually was charging my phone as it's playing music, so definitely recommend the Gizmo Guy.
Try my gadget out. It comes with 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're not happy with it in any way, simply send it back and you'll get your full refund. So click on the link below and try my gadget out. I guarantee this will be the best gadget that you get this year. Thank you. Bye-bye.
And you don't want to spend hundreds of dollars replacing your radio, then this gadget is an ultimate alternative. No static, nothing. Nice and clear, crisp. You guys, real-time review. Happy with the product.
Everything works great. Everything is crystal clear. And I can't say enough about this product.
So this device truly does the job. I can play Pandora, everything. I've driven around town. No problems with any static whatsoever.
Thank you for coming out with this product. I love it. I recommend it to anybody. So please do yourself a favor. Try it. It really works. All right, guys. I love it, man. God bless you all. Buy the product and enjoy it. Have a good one. Bye.
Hi, this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Over the last 30 years, I have personally repaired and replaced hundreds of car stereos, so I know a few things about car stereo. So take my advice, and I guarantee you will not regret it, and you will love my device. Thank you. For more information about the product or to make a purchase, please check out my website at iPhoneFMTransmitter.com, iPhoneFMTransmitter.com.